Hello everyone, this is Patkem Solar Energy. So as you can see, we made invention. This is a 10 kilowatt system where you operate on WHC 24 volts 120 amp hours, and we get 4 of 10 batteries there with the 2 up 2 down, and we install more 2 Naya. And this system will run 4 air conditions, where you can get 3 running steadily. Then you get your fridge, it will run them for you. And this is an inbuilt with an 100 amp MPPT controller. As you can see, DC 48 volts. As you can see a charge mode 93 amps volt DC AC outputs. Rated power 10,000 volts amp hours. Rated current solar charge mode, rated current 100 amp hours. System voltage 48 volts. So this system we construct the job and the installation done by Patkem Solar Energy. As you can see, designed by Patkem Solar Energy Lungi head office. As you can see, so anybody who need you can book we and make you arrangement with you. Alright.